The Manipur government celebrates 49th Statehood Day 2021 at 1Pm ground in Imphal today. Addressing the gathering at the event, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh stated that his government has taken note of the recent grenade incident at the Raj Bhavan gate. Biren asserted that restoration of peace is needed to march forward. Condemning the bomb incident, Chief Minister Biren added that had the bomb exploded, it would have caused casualties to the security forces manning the Raj Bhavan and civilians as well. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today greeted the people of Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya on their statehood days and offered his best wishes to them. A media report said Modi tweeted, "Statehood Day greetings to the people of Manipur. India is proud of its contribution to national development," adding that the state is a powerhouse of innovation and sporting talent. Modi wished the state the very best in its journey towards progress. Best wishes to the people of Tripura on the special occasion of their statehood day. Extending his greetings to the people of Meghalaya, the Prime Minister said the state is known for its remarkable kindness and spirit of brotherhood. Under the UGC Stride Component 1 University Grants Commission UGC, New Delhi, the Department of Dance and Music UGC Stride Component 1 Manipur University today kicked off a 3-day-long workshop based on Manipuri dance under the theme Perspectives of Manipuri Culture at the Court Hall of Manipur University, Kanchipur, Imphal. Manipur University Vice Chancellor in charge Professor Amar Yumnam, Student Welfare Manipur University Dean Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar and Manipur University Dance and Music Department Head Professor P. Gunindro were present at the function. Even though JIRIBAM was declared a full-fledged district, the district still faces shortage of requisite infrastructure. Our correspondent visited the substation fire department, which was in a pathetic condition. Sub-officer of the substation office K.H. Paulian Sang said that the office, established in 1984, is deteriorating day by day. He also drew the attention of the concerned authorities towards improving facilities such as lodging, toilet and water reservoir system of the office. BJP Fungyar, Ukhrul and Chingyai Mandal organized a one-day Mandal level meeting at Ukhrul Town Hall today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, BJP Manipur in charge Dr. Sambit Patra, BJP General Secretary Organization Manipur and Nagaland in charge Avey Kumar Giri, Social Welfare Minister Ukram Henry and Khurai Constituency MLA L. Susindro attended the meeting. A 5-day workshop on art appreciation concluded today at Ipa Thokok, Lamphel. The workshop was organized by Sumang Lila Producers Association. Around 18 Sumang Lila artists took part in the workshop. President of the association, Ningomba Tomba, expressed concern over the decreasing number of artists who play female characters these days. In connection with the Road Safety Week, MOREH police today carried out drive against road safety rule violators at MOREH town. Our correspondent reports that at least 150 individuals riding two-wheelers without helmets were detained by police. The drive was carried out under the leadership of MOREH Police Station Officer in charge Dilip Kumar. All detainees were released after instructing them about road safety norms. A 4-year-old boy has gone missing since last afternoon in Thoubal district. Our correspondent reports the missing child has been identified as Mohammad Ribas Khan, son of Mohammad Riaz Khan of Moijing, Lengoi Jil Makha under Thoubal police station. Mother of the missing boy, Marzia Elise Anitan, said that she saw her son last time when she came back from the market and he disappeared. A missing report has been filed at the Thoubal police station and the police along with local residents have launched a frantic search for the boy. Under the supervision of District Administration Thoubal, the Food Safety Administration Thoubal District carried out a food safety training and certification program for food business operators and people in service today at Thoubal Chief Medical Officer Complex. Food Safety Thoubal Officer and Devendra Singh, State Food Analyst C.S. Sanajauba and Chief Medical Officer CMO Thoubal Dr. N. Jayantakumar and others were present during the program. Joe Biden took oath as the 46th President of the United States yesterday at the Capitol, while Kamala Harris took oath as the Vice President of the country. Kamala Harris is the daughter of immigrants from Jamaica and India. Harris made history yesterday when she was sworn as the U.S. Vice President, becoming the first woman, the first Black American, and the first Asian American to hold the second highest U.S. office.